The man charged in a chilling alleged child rape and murder plot appears back before Seminole County Judge. Sean Ryan Thomas is facing more than 24 counts after detectives say he lured a 9-year-old girl and family members to a vacant home with plans to murder the adults, then rape and kill the child. WESH 2's Bob Keeling joins us live outside of the house. And Bob, the adults got suspicious and left, and no one was harmed.
Yeah, and that's right, Meredith, and that's really at the crux of what's going on here now in the wake of all these charges. Was this suspect really planning to pull this off? Was it just fantasy? Or did he take what's called overt acts to put himself in a position to do just that?
Sean Ryan Thomas.
In a brief arraignment today, the man charged with hatching a chilling scheme to rape and kill a child, then sell the footage as child pornography, entered a plea to the charges.
We would waive reading of the information and our plea is not guilty.
In June, FDLE agents acting on a tip from a confidential informant arrested 29-year-old Sean Ryan Thomas. They quoted chilling online discussions where Thomas allegedly tried to recruit an accomplice to help him kill a child's parents, then rape a girl on camera before killing her. After that first time, agents say, Thomas wrote online it would get easier and he would not be able to stop.
So all the things that he talked about doing, he had the props and all the items that he was going to bring to actually do this.
Off camera, Thomas's public defender tells WESH 2 the state will have a hard time proving this was anything more than fantasy.
Here he's put down plastic at the house, he's invited these people over.
In the eyes of the law, WESH 2 legal analyst Richard Hornsby says Thomas's alleged overt acts, inviting the family to the house, breaking in himself, putting down plastic and setting up a camera, show a man with a real plan.
He's definitely done several overt acts. There's no doubt that he crossed the threshold from fantasy into reality a long time ago.
Now, Thomas is being held here in Seminole County in jail with no bond. And one other motion that was filed today, the state of Florida is asking that his defense be banned from filing any public documents that would show the name or address of the child or the parents who were involved in this situation. It hasn't been ruled on yet. Reporting live in Seminole County, I'm Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.